இது நம்ம ஐயா கோச்சிங் சென்டர். வாங்க படிக்கலாம்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
This class we have seen the types of gene interaction. This class we will see intragenic interaction. What is meant by intragenic interaction? That is interaction between alleles of gene which are present on the same gene locus on homologous chromosome. Same gene locus on which chromosome? Homologous chromosomes. And then these react with each other in such a way they produce an expression different from normal dominant recessive phenotype. Different from normal recessive and phenotype. I'll repeat again. Intragenic interaction means that is interaction between two alleles of genes which are present on the same gene locus. See, same gene locus on two homologous chromosomes react with each other. And the expression of the F1 hybrid, F1 is different from the normal dominant recessive phenotype. Example for intragenic interaction, previously I have explained. The first example we are going to see is incomplete dominance. The first example is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. First you must know what is meant by incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, that is neither of the two allele being dominant, so that the F1 hybrid is intermediate between the expression of the two allele. See, the F1 hybrid is intermediate between the expression of the two allele in homozygous state. I'll explain with an example. We can take example this Mirabilis jalapa. The flower Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa. It's otherwise called as 4 o'clock plant. 4 o'clock plant. And also otherwise called as gull-e-bands. Gull-e-bands. This experiment was conducted by Correns. And this incomplete dominance was first discovered by Correns. Okay, see this Mirabilis jalapa produce two types of flowers. One produces red color and another produces white color flower. And now I'll explain. That is, they can take this parent. One parent produces red color flower. Another parent produces white color flower. This is red and this is white. And the gamete which is formed as capital R, this is the gamete. And here also gamete. When it is crossed, see, the F1 hybrid is neither red nor white. It is what color? No, pink color. So the F1 hybrid is what color? Pink color. All are pink in color. When this F1 hybrid is selfed, that is the F2 progeny, F2 generation, class smaller into capital R smaller. We'll see now. We'll draw the checkerboard. Male, female, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. Now capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. So the ratio, both the phenotype ratio, genotypic ratio. Genotype ratio in monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Phenotype, but here you can see the phenotypic ratio. So this is what in color? Red in color. And this is what color? Pink. And this is what color? Pink. And this is what? White. So the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. So the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio in incomplete dominance is 1:2:1. Then another example for incomplete dominance is flower color in Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum majus. Incomplete dominance is also seen in this, that is majus. Incomplete dominance is also seen in flower color of this plant. This plant is otherwise known as snapdragon or dog flower. Incomplete dominance is found same as in Mirabilis jalapa. Then another example is also feather color in Andalusian falls. Here, this incomplete dominance is especially what color? Feather color. When a black color fowl is crossed with white color fowl, fowl means birds. When black color fowl is crossed with white color fowl, the F1 is blue. In color. That's all about the example for incomplete dominance.